Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video I will discuss about Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University exam preparation and MHCET exam preparation. So if you are in this university, so how you can balance your university exam preparation as well as MHCET exam preparation. I will also discuss about the Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. After that I will discuss about Maharashtra CET cell. I will also discuss about what are the top colleges of B.Ed, Law, MBA and MCA which are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So let us start guys. Before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra CET examinations such as Law CET, MCA CET, B.Ed CET, MBA CET for year 2022 and 23. So in this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose, mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now, call on 8828581455 or you can also visit to our website manwaredu.com/law entrance, MCA entrance, B.Ed entrance, MBA entrance. Now guys, let us discuss about Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So this is the university campus, okay. So Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University was established on Maharashtra Day the 1st May 1983. Okay, after this university has lush green campus of 470-acre campus with 28 teaching department. So 28 teaching department है 470-acre campus में ये फैला हुआ है. After this university has been re-accredited third cycle by NAC in 2016 with A grade with CGPA of 3.07. Okay, after this 418 colleges are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So 418 colleges affiliated है. After this 5 district colleges are associated with Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, mainly Amravati district, Akola district, Yavatmal, Buldhana and Washim. ये 5 district के जो भी colleges है they are associated with Amravati University. Okay, now let us discuss about CET cell. So government of Maharashtra has established a state common entrance test cell under the admission regulatory authority. Okay, so CET cell has been established. Maharashtra CET cell conducts more than 15 CET exams including law, B.Ed, hotel management, agriculture, engineering, MCA, architecture, MBA and many more are there. So CET cell conduct 15 CET examination and all the colleges of Maharashtra states are affiliated to CET cell. Those colleges who accept the CET score especially and they go for cap round process, that is centralized admission process. After this mainly these colleges are law, MBA, MCA, B.Ed, engineering, pharmacy, agriculture, fine arts and architecture college. So these are the colleges and this is about the Maharashtra CET cell. Guys, let us discuss about major courses in Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So in this university there is a courses of BA, BCom and BSc. This is a generalized course which every university has. Okay, after this BBA is there, Bachelor in Business Administration, Bachelor in Accounting and Finance, BA JMC, that is Bachelor in Journalism and Mass Communication. Okay, after this they also have BCA, that is Bachelor in Computer Application, BCS, okay, that is Bachelor in Computer Science and Biotech. So these courses are there. After this, so with these courses you can prepare for Maharashtra CET exam such as Law CET, MBA CET, MCA CET and B.Ed CET. If you are doing BA, BCom, BSc, then you can try for Maharashtra Law CET and you can make your career in law. After that, if you are doing BBA or BAF or mass media mein if you are doing graduation, then you can pursue MBA and you can have a very good career in MBA. Okay, after this if you are in BCA, that is Bachelor in Computer Application, BE, BSc, okay, or Biotech if you are, so you can prepare for MCA course, that is Master in Computer Application, and you can have your career in computer application field. After all of this, if you want to become a teacher, okay, so you can do B.Ed also. You need to give Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination. Guys, let me tell you, all these courses, if you want to pursue MBA, MCA, B.Ed and law, then you need to give Maharashtra CET examination. Without that examination you can't get admission in MBA, MCA, B.Ed, law. Now let us discuss about how you can prepare. So start your preparation from graduation year. Start your preparation early, and you need to balance the time with respect to ग्रेजुएशन एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन एंड MHCET एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन. अगर आप सेकेंड ईयर में हैं और थर्ड ईयर में हैं, सो सेकेंड ईयर और थर्ड ईयर में क्या होता है कि सेकेंड ईयर में अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन में हैं देन आपको तो टाइम ज़्यादा मिलता है टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दीज एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. सो इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग your preparation early, then you have very good chances to get selected in the top colleges. Okay, so start your preparation early. This is very important thing. Okay, now let us discuss about top law colleges which are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So these colleges are Vinayak Vidhi Mahavidyalay, Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh College of Law, Amol Chand Vidhi Mahavidyalay, Advocate Ramkrishna Ji Rathi Law College, Akola Law College, Shri Nathmal Goenka Law College. So these colleges are in the district of Amravati, Akola, Buldana, Washim and Yavatmal. Okay. Now guys, let us discuss about top MBA colleges which are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So these colleges are Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Vidya Bharati Mahavidyalaya Department of Research and PG Student Studies in Science and Management, PR Pote Patil Education and Welfare Trust Group of Institution, Hari Kishan Jaju Education Sanstha College of Management and Computer Science, Sipna Shikshan Prasarak Mandal College of Engineering and Technology, Sri Hanuman Vyayam Prasarak Mandal College of Engineering and Technology. So these are very good colleges of MBA which are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Now let us discuss about top MCA colleges which are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So very first is Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University only, with they also offer MCA course. After this, Professor Ram Meghe Institute of Technology and Research, Rani Bai Agnihotri Institute of Computer Information and Technology, Vidya Bharati Mahavidyalaya Department of Research and PG Studies in Science and Management, PR Pote Patil Education Welfare Trust Group of Institution. So these are the MCA colleges. Now let us discuss about B.Ed colleges which are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So Government College of Education, it is situated in Akola district. KM Asghar Hussain College of Education, Savitribai Phule College of Education, SSMM B.Ed College, Kadaria College of Education, Sahu Maharaj College of Education. So these are the top B.Ed colleges. Okay, so guys, this is all about Amravati University exam preparation and Maharashtra CET exam preparation. If you want to prepare for Maharashtra CET entrance exam for year 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.